Morning class 8 subject maths chapter 15 chapter name mensuration 2. Here is a introduction. Students, in this introduction there is a discussion about three dimensional shape and their capacities. So students, basically in this introduction there is a discussion about a cube and cuboid or anything means that is three dimensional. So let's see. Here Asu and her friends means three children are there and they are playing a game with sand. So they have taken the equal amount of sand from a mug, but they made a different kind of boxes. Okay, so they are confused. Why confused? But because they have taken same amount of sand, but their boxes like a structure that they are making here are different measure, means different is someone's breadth is greater, someone's height is greater, someone's length is greater, so it is different, but they have taken the same amount of sand. So students, one student is intelligent here, that's name is Rahim. See here written, Rahim looked closely at the blocks and said, I can see that the blocks that have a larger speed on the ground have lesser heights. Also, there seems to be some relationship between the amount of sand and the length, width and height of the block. Asu said, we want learned in the earlier classes that volume is equal to length into breadth into height. तब रहीम बोलता है कि हाँ मैं देख रहा हूँ कि क्या है, किसी का क्या है लार्जर स्पीड ऑन द ग्राउंड बट हैव लेजर हाइट, मतलब ग्राउंड पे ज़्यादा फैला हुआ है बट उसकी हाइट कम है किसी का, ऐसे ऐसे करके सबका कुछ न कुछ डिफरेंट है. तब आंसू को याद आता है कि हमने पिछले क्लास में पढ़ा था कि वॉल्यूम इज इक्वल टू क्या होता है, लेंथ इंटू ब्रेड्थ इंटू हाइट. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, जैसे मैं आपको यहाँ पे एक सिंपल एग्जाम्पल के थ्रू बता रहा हूँ कि सपोज जैसे 12 क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर का या 12 लीटर है, कुछ ऐसी क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर की एक मान के चलो कि जैसे एक शेप है, तो ये जो होगा शेप, इसकी लेंथ विड्थ हाइट डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ हो सकते हैं, लाइक 2 इंटू 3 इंटू 2, ऐसा भी हो सकता है, 6 इंटू 2 इंटू 1 ये भी हो सकता है, मतलब 2 मीटर हाइट 2, लेंथ 3, ब्रेड्थ 2, लेंथ 6, height 2, breadth 1, like this. And again it can be like 4 into 3 into 1. So it can be possible with different measure. अब मान के चलो कोई ऐसा शेप बनाए जिसका कि लेंथ 2, हाइट ब्रेड्थ 3, हाइट 2, ऐसा करके डिफरेंट मेजर के है ना हो सकते हैं, बट उनका वॉल्यूम क्या होगा, सेम होगा. वही चीज़ इस बॉक्स के थ्रू हमको पता चलता है. Okay students, now we will discuss next. Is capacity also volume? Yes, capacity is also volume. Okay students, volume of the substance that can be contained in an empty space is the capacity of the empty space. Can you tell the capacity of a glass that you use for drinking water and the capacity of the bucket that you use while bathing? You cannot tell the capacity because you need to know the maximum amount of water that can be contained in the glass or in the bucket. मीन्स सिंपली आप ये समझो कि कैपेसिटी ही किसी भी जो वेसल है, बर्तन है, उसकी जो कैपेसिटी है उसको आप बोल सकते हो कि जितनी उसकी कैपेसिटी है वही उसका वॉल्यूम है. ओके, नाउ क्यूबॉइड. स्टूडेंट्स, क्यूबॉइड इज अ 3 dimensional shape in which length, breadth and height are different. And example of cuboid is copy, book, matchbox, chalk box and bricks. You can say duster also. Okay. Now students, we discuss cube. Cube in which length, breadth and height all 3 dimensions are equal is called cube. Okay students, now volume of cuboid will be length into breadth into height. Okay students, and in cube all three, this formula is also applied, but these all three are equal. See here, in volume of cube, side into side into side is equal to side cube, because their length, breadth and height all are equal in a cube, therefore their volume will be side cube. Now here is a formula: length is equal to volume upon breadth into height, breadth is equal to volume upon length into height, height is equal to volume upon breadth into length. So these are the formula you have to remember while solving the questions. Okay students, we will discuss here exercise 15.1, fill in the blanks. A cuboid has a total of how many faces? 6 faces. Okay students, now length of a cuboid, volume of the cuboid upon breadth into height. 1 cubic meter is equal to 10 to the power 6 cubic centimeter. Okay students, here students we will discuss some most important thing about cube and cuboid. There are 6 faces. See here, what are the 6 faces? A, B, C, D. So here you can give any name. Okay, A, B, C, D. Next is what? E, F, G, H. E, F, G, H. Then A, E, F, B. A, E, F, B. This surface. Same as there are total 6 surface. This 1 and here 2, 3, 4, 5 and this one 6. Okay students, now 8 vertices: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. 8 vertices, 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See 1, this one 1, this is 2, 3, 4, this one 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, this one 12. Okay students, here all things are mentioned there. Okay, you have to learn thoroughly. Now students, we will discuss exercise question answer in the next video. Okay, thank you.